In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A06 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Display. Then tap on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and apply one of those font styles by tapping on the best one and going back. Or hit Font Style, select the download fonts and install perfect one for you after hitting Agree and tapping on this download button or clicking on your chosen style and tapping Install. Either way, when it's ready, go back and apply it by clicking on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!